G'day guys, my name is Jaden, welcome back to my channel. I do a weekly Thursday trip report, so if you haven't subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe and bell button. I'm at Adelaide Airport and today I'm flying Qantas business class from Adelaide to Melbourne. Now let's go in and check in. So this morning the Qantas check-in is really empty and quiet because we literally arrived 20 minutes before boarding begins. So we checked in quickly and then went through the premium security lane. The regular lane this morning is horrendously long. So with a Qantas business class boarding pass, you would have access to the Qantas Club at Adelaide Airport. But we don't have time today, we're heading straight to our boarding gate. But here are some older footage, so you can see how it looks like inside. There are several shower rooms, and the breakfast is quite good. They make sausages and baked beans here, and it's actually quite delicious. And here's our aircraft today, a 20-year-old Qantas Boeing 737-800 Victor Hotel, Victor X-Ray November.
Hello, how are you? Thanks very much, Jaden. Welcome aboard. Hello.
My seat this morning for this 1 hour dash to Melbourne is 3C. I'll go through the seat features after takeoff.
Okay, partners, it's been a pleasure to have you fly with us through to Melbourne this morning. Thank you very much for boarding the aircraft, promptly placing those larger bags up into the overhead locker, the smaller ones down underneath the seat in front of you. Just a reminder for those of you seated at the emergency exit rows, that's rows 13 and 14 on this aircraft.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for showing respect to each other and our crew.
Device at any time. Please do not move your seat. May severely damage the device or cause a fire hazard. Just ask the crew member for assistance. Today you're travelling on one of our Wi-Fi enabled aircraft. Shortly I'll play a video that explains how our Wi-Fi system works.
Get started with these easy steps. Enable aeroplane mode on Apple products.
Now I'm going to go through the seat features at 3C. So there's no TV, but rather you have a tablet holder. You can find your tray table inside the armrest. On the other side you've got volume control for your headphones. They're broadcasting ABC News on the overhead TV. Seat control buttons here and a large cocktail table. USB port for everybody, and also universal power socket for every passenger in business. Inside your seat pocket you'll find a set of noise cancelling headphones. It's for the TV above you. Shortly after takeoff, the cabin crew began the breakfast service. Today we've got two options, either a hot breakfast or a continental breakfast. So here's the hot one. We've got a huge frittata, bacon, hash browns and baked beans. On the side we've got a cupcake, and for drinks I went for sparkling water. My friend at 3A got the continental. We got the same cupcake, a glass of sparkling water, and he also went for an orange juice. After everybody got their meal, the crew served coffee and tea. I went for a white tea.
Making fairly good time as well. Should have been touching down at about 10 minutes to 8 disembarking.
Do you want to go to the city, not the CBD?
I don't think about the half-hour time changes between Adelaide and Melbourne. It's 18 minutes past 7 in Melbourne. On behalf of your captain, Ben Catchlub, and your customer service manager, James, who's been the fabulous team in the cabin looking after your comfort and safety, thanks very much for choosing to fly with us this morning. It's always a pleasure to have you on board. Hope you have a safe and enjoyable afternoon in Melbourne with us, and see you. Look forward to seeing you again soon.
We got like 20 minutes to go. I'm gonna recline my seat and relax as much as I can. Every seat, including in economy, comes with a headrest. You can move it up and down and adjust the sides so you can lean on it. And here's how the seat looks like when you fully recline with your footrest and leg rest extended. So here's a quick lavatory tour. You've got an AC vent, and then down here the sink and hand soap, no other amenities like body lotion or hand cream. And up here is a coat hook. We've started our descent into Melbourne Airport, so I'll quickly conclude this trip report with Qantas right here, right now. Our journey today started at Adelaide Airport. Check-in was quick and easy, and then I headed straight to the security and boarding gate. Today we've got an older aircraft. It's 20-year-old without TV, but we still got free unlimited high-speed Wi-Fi. The seat was really comfortable for this 1 hour flight.
Cabin crew, prepare the cabin for landing.
Despite the short flight, the service was good and I could feel the crew's attentiveness. So overall today it was a good flight with Qantas. For your information, your airfare on this route with Qantas starts from $709 in business class. So guys, thank you so much for watching today's trip report. I hope you enjoyed this shorter one. If you did, please leave a like, comment down below and share this video with your friends. And most importantly, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so now. I upload a new trip report every week, so hit that bell button as well so you won't miss out again. You can also follow me or add me on my social media platforms like Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, BeReal and TikTok. If you want to make direct impacts into funding my flights, you can do so via PayPal or Patreon. Please visit the links in the description for more information. Now please enjoy the approach and landing into Melbourne Tullamarine, and I'll see you again on Thursday. Bye bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Melbourne, just approaching 10 minutes to 8 a.m. With your safety mark, I'll ask that you please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we park at the terminal building. The fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Baggage from this flight available on carousel number 1 for your bags. If you are continuing on further with Qantas Domestic this morning, please check the monitors throughout the terminal for details of your next departure. For Jetstar flights, you'll need to collect your bags first, then make your way through to the Jetstar check-in, which is located in terminal number 4. Connecting on to an international flight, please make your way through to the international departure gate, which is located just on level 1. As always, ground team very happy to help. Please be careful when opening the overhead lockers, just in case the items that you have placed in there move throughout the flight, and take this opportunity now to check your seat pockets, surrounding areas for any personal items before you leave. Here in Melbourne, leave through the forward left-hand door. We'll ask that you please not smoke or vape whilst leaving the aircraft or throughout the Melbourne terminal building. Been a pleasure having you aboard from Adelaide this morning. Do hope that you've enjoyed your flight with us and look forward to seeing you when you next choose to travel. Melbourne's home for you. Welcome home. If you are visiting Victoria, do hope that you enjoy your stay, of course, here travelling on further a safe journey for you. Half of your Captain Ben Catchlub, Omar, the first officer, my team here on board, of course, the entire team at Qantas. Once again, a very warm welcome to Melbourne. Please just a reminder, stay seated until we're parked. Seatbelt signs have been switched off. Once again, thank you very much for choosing to fly with Qantas and One World. Morning.
Thanks very much. Enjoy your day. Bye. See you next time. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Boston. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your cabin baggage stowed until the seatbelt sign has been turned off.